make a change on myself, and I'm not gonna go into a salon and get my hair burned every time I wanna change or look different, right? So there might be some wigs on Amazon that might be, you know, not so bad quality after all. So anyway, so that's the purpose of this video. I just want to see how you know they look. Okay, so this is wig number 1. I'm probably not using it right, you know. I'm not gonna lie, I've never tried on wigs before. You know, this is the first time. So this is new for me. I'm learning how to put them on and stuff. This one, as you guys can see, hopefully you guys can see, it looks, personally, I feel like it looks a little fake here at the front, just because, you know, you don't have, I mean, you can just tell that I'm wearing a wig. But what I got, and you know, the color doesn't look so bad after all, okay? But I got this beanie right here. I'm gonna try it on with the beanie. Maybe it makes a difference, maybe it looks better, I don't know, we're gonna find out. So I think that's the best I can do. This is wig number 1, okay? This wig was $9.99, and this is the short blonde ombre, okay? So this is wig number 1. It's very soft, obviously, but I don't know. If you ask me, it looks a little fake, or maybe a lot. I don't know. You guys be the judge of it. For my face, kind of get the feeling my skin color doesn't go that well with it. I don't know. Maybe it does. Who knows? But this is wig number 1. Okay. So now let's go with wig number 2. Okay guys, this is wig number 2. As you can see, it looks fake. For me, it just looks fake. I don't know if it's because I know that they're fake, but I mean, the wig, the color, it's pretty itself, but I think it doesn't really go with my skin color that well. I don't know, I might be wrong, maybe just because I'm not used to this. I've always had black hair. Well, one time I did red, I went red, and then one time I went like blonde, but you know, I just burnt my hair, that's all I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this beanie on and see if it looks a little better with the beanie. So bear with me, let's see. This wig was $8.99, and this is a wavy ombre, okay? Wavy ombre. This one, it's heat resistant, okay? I don't know, I'm trying to say something else. So this is wig number 2, and maybe if you wear a beanie on top, it doesn't look bad. Maybe on you, girl, it's gonna look better than on myself. I don't know, but personally, you know, it's alright. It's something that I would think about twice before wearing it, just because maybe, again, I'm not used to wearing a different color other than black. But this is wig number 2. It feels like more of a real hair than the first wig. Yeah. So again, this wig was $8.99. Okay. And again, this video is not sponsored. It's just something that I thought of doing. So this is wig number 3. As you can see, this looks a lot different. Obviously, it's a different style, and obviously it's a different color, but I kind of feel like you can tell it's a fake wig. Like I said, I'm having a little disappointment here just because, I mean, I know they're cheap, I know, but you know, I never really thought that it was gonna look this fake. Maybe because I never gotten wigs before, so you know, I'm pretty new at this. There might be different tricks that you guys might have to make the wig more real on you guys. But once again, I'm gonna put on my beanie and see how this looks, see if it looks a little better. This wig was $7.99. This gray curly wig was $7.99. Okay, and as you can see, kind of feel like this side has more hair than on this side. I don't know if it's the style of it, but I kind of don't feel like that's right. I don't know, I might be wrong, who knows, right? But this is wig number 3. If I'm gonna wear this beanie with it, I'm not hating on it at all. I think this is something that I can totally go out there with and just, you know, rock and be, you know, myself, whatever. Yeah. So, and this one feels very soft as well, and it feels a little bit like real hair. It's just, it feels like a little bit on the dry side. Like it's soft, but you can feel it. You can feel the dryness of it, if that makes any sense. Okay, let's go with wig number 4. This is wig number 4. Obviously, you can see that this color does not go with me. It doesn't go with me, period. Okay, I look a little too slutty with it, I would say. I'm gonna put on the beanie again, and you know, I'm just trying to see if a beanie makes it any better. But let's be honest, I don't think this wig works at all with my skin color. Okay, this is not something that I would wear on myself. It does not go with my skin color. I definitely look very slutty, and that's just my personal opinion. You might think the same, you might not, I don't know. But let's go with wig number 5. Oh, wait, I forgot to tell you how much this wig was, and it was $9.73. Let's go with wig number 5. This is wig number 5. Okay, yes, I got different styles because I'm just crazy like that, and I just wanted to try everything I could. Okay, so this is wig number 5. You know, it doesn't look that bad. It probably looks worse than the other one, but for me, I could use this wig for like a really crazy look. You know, if I was a raver like I used to be in the past, then this is probably something that I would, why not, take to a rave. But again, this part right here, I don't know, there might be a trick or something you can do so that it looks more real. But me, I'm sorry guys, I don't have experience with wigs. Okay, so I don't know how to make this part real, and I think this is the same issue that I have with the past wigs that I've tried on. This little part right here, for me, it just looks too fake. Obviously, you know, but whatever. Now this wig feels more like real hair. As you can see, it's not that shiny. I mean, it is, but it doesn't shine as much. So I don't know, this one doesn't really bother me as much. So let me go ahead and put on the beanie. This is how it looks. I mean, the hair is so not so bad, and it actually goes with my makeup look. So I don't know, I would wear it with the beanie, of course. You know, it covers me, the fake part. Everything's fake about it, but you know what I mean. I don't know, you let me know. Okay, so this wig was, believe it or not, this wig was the most expensive one, and this wig was $14.99. Okay, this is a rainbow wig, you know, there it is. So now we're gonna go with wig number 6. Okay guys, so this is wig number 6. Now this wig feels more like real hair, and to be honest with you, I don't hate it. I don't hate it, I just hate this part right here. But we can fix that with a beanie, a hat, whatever you got. So we're gonna go ahead and try it on and see how this looks. Okay, so there you go. Now this wig, I would totally go out there and rock this wig. This is something that I would totally wear, and like I said, this feels more like real hair. I do not hate it at all. This is heat resistant. The other ones that I did not mention, if they were heat resistant, that's because they are not. This one is heat resistant, and this feels like real hair. And as you can see, if I don't tell you that this is a wig, I'm pretty sure you wouldn't realize this is a wig, you know? I mean, it matches my skin color. Oh, those little hairs. And I think this is something that I could wear and that I would use. This wig was $13.99. Okay. Let's go with wig number, what is it? Wig number 7. Okay guys, so this is the last wig on the list, okay? So this is a whole different shape, a whole different style, different color obviously. And I don't know about you guys, but I kind of get the feeling that I look older. I might be wrong. I might look younger for you guys, which, thank you. But I'm not hating it. It looks like real hair. And it feels very, very smooth, very silky, very soft. And I do not hate it. Except, see this part? Now, this one looks more like of a real hair. Because I don't know if it's the way the bangs are, but it looks more like a real hair, like it's my hair. Like I could totally go out like this, and maybe people wouldn't realize that this is the wig. Okay, so I don't see why I would wear this with a beanie. The beanie I tried with the other ones just because of the front of my forehead looked totally fake. But this one is not necessary. This wig was $7.99. $7.99, yes guys, $7.99. And this is something that you could totally rock out there, you know. Very inexpensive, very nice, and I do not hate it. I like it, except I get the feeling that I look older than what I am. But other than that, here it is. You guys let me know in the comments below which one you liked, or if you would wear any of these wigs that I just tried on for you guys, that I, you know. So anyways, this was the last wig. Okay guys, so that was the end of this video. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful a little bit. Again, all these wigs I got from Amazon. Very inexpensive. Like I said, some of them or most of them look fake just because of how they look on the front of my forehead, but you know, you can totally, there's many different ways that you can wear them with a hat, beanie, whatever you got. Okay, whatever works for you, whatever floats your boat, you got it. So anyways, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful and interesting. So you know, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do, and hit that notification bell so you can be aware of every time I upload a video for you guys, okay? So with that being said, thank you guys, and I'll see you next video. Bye.